Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pancakeswap with Trust Wallet. First, download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once installed, either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. It's crucial to secure this phrase. Make sure you have some BNB, specifically the Smart Chain version, in your wallet to cover transaction fees. Next, open the dApps browser located at the bottom of your Trust Wallet interface. In the search bar, type Pancakeswap or select it from the popular list. Once on the Pancakeswap site, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Tap it and choose Trust Wallet to link your account securely. Now you're ready to swap tokens. On Pancakeswap, select Trade then Exchange. Choose the token you want to swap from and the token you wish to receive. Enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve the swap in your Trust Wallet, which will incur a small BNB gas fee. If you want to earn more, consider providing liquidity. Go to Liquidity and add 2 tokens in equal value to a pool. You'll receive LP tokens. Then, navigate to Farms, find a farm matching your LP tokens, and stake them. This allows you to earn additional rewards, often paid in cake tokens, for contributing to the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.